Yes, dude. Give me some knuckles. Yes. What have you got to say?
I knew that jump would open this season.
What have you got to say?
Don't know.
And that was pretty cool. Is that one for your daddy?
Uh-huh.
Say.
That one has to go to my daddy.
Yes, it does. Cool, dude.